Okay, today I'm going to show you how to do a place card for your Thanksgiving holiday table. I thought this was really cute. Basically, all you need is paper and glue and a pair of scissors. So the paper that I used for this project is cardstock paper. I wanted to make 8 place cards, so I needed to make 8. I needed 3 of the polka dotted paper, which is your background. I needed 2 pieces of the orange paper for the pumpkins, and I used 1 full piece and then a little bit. 1 piece of green cardstock for your leaf and your little curlies, and then 1 piece of brown cardstock, which if you have scraps sitting around, which I did, just for the little stem. So the first thing you want to do is make circles. All you need is circles for the pumpkins. You need 3 circles for each one. So for me altogether, I needed 24 circles. And I will give you the measurements of all of the sizes that you need to make the exact one that I made. So I traced the circles out, cut them out, and once you cut them out, I used a textured paper, so I made sure that my texture was on the inside of the fold. And basically you just want to fold all your pumpkins in half, and then once you have them folded in half, you're going to take 3 pieces and you're going to take the one, and just with a little bit of glue, just put glue on both sides. And then you're just going to match up your circles to both sides. Make sure it matches up. And then what I do is I just kind of squeeze it. And that gives you your pumpkin. So once you have your pumpkins made, then you're just going to take your cardstock and you're going to fold this in half. That makes your card. And then I made my leaves. You'll notice the leaves are a little bit big in proportion to the pumpkin. I did that purposely because I wanted to write the name of the person on the leaf. You wouldn't have to do that. You could write it on the card itself or put something else, but I thought it looked cute on the leaves, so I made my leaves a little bit bigger. I used a Cricut to cut out the leaves, and I also used a Cricut to cut my curlies out. But if you don't own a Cricut, like I had said in one of my previous crafts, I had leaf cookie cutters, and I used that to trace it out, or you can go on the computer and just print a leaf pattern that you like, just reduce it down to the size you want and use that as your tracer to trace it out. So what you need to put this together is you need 1 stem, a leaf, and then 1 of the curly pieces of paper. And I'm only going to use half of this, so I just rip it off. And so the first thing you want to do is glue your stem onto the pumpkin. So you're just going to do a little dab and put that right in the center of your pumpkin, and then put another dab on your other paper. And that, I liked mine hanging over the pumpkin. I thought that looked cute, but you can position it however you want. Oops. There you go. And then the leaf, put a little dab on there. And this is kind of just to hold it down onto the pumpkin. And then you're just going to take the back and put glue all around. And then take your card and just position it. I positioned it, tilted it sideways. I thought it looked cute sideways, but that way also your leaf is sideways so that you can write your name on it. And I left the curly Q unglued because I thought that that gave it a cute little pop as well, a little 3D image. So that's how you make your table card for Thanksgiving dinner.